Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to enable and configure the footer on our site using the Ocean WP theme. First, we need to go over to the left bar with this appearance. We are going to click on Customize. Here we are. Now we are going to scroll down to the bottom, and here we says Footer widget on the left sidebar. We're going to click and we are going to enable the footer widgets. There it is. Now we have some configuration options. We can show on all devices, hide on the tablet, mobile on tablet and mobile. We can use a fixed footer, a parallax effect footer. We can select a template if we have created one in the theme panel My Library. We can select the number of columns we are going to use. We can add a container and padding to the container, and we can select the color for the background, text, borders, links, and hover of the footer widgets. So now we need to go back and go to the widget tab, and we have footer 1, 2, and 3. So we click and we can add a widget by clicking on the plus symbol, add a widget. And we have several options from videos to audio, archives, calendar, categories, galleries, and the like, but we are going to go with the contact info widget for this one. And we are going to give it a title. Contact info is good. We can select the style, and we can add some text. Contact us. And the big icons are a little bit too big for my like, so we are going to choose the default configuration, and that looks better. And we can select the targets for the link, self and blank, and we can select the icon class for the address and the address itself. In this case we are going to add a link. In this case we are going to leave those as they are. For the phone, the mobile, fax, email, it could be configured in the same manner. On Skype too. So we will go back and select footer 2, and we are going to add another widget, and we can add menu if we want, and we can select a title, site info. We can select a menu of the ones we have created before. In this case we are going to use the main menu. There it is. And now we can select the position to the right, to the center, and to the left. We're going to leave it on the left because it doesn't look good otherwise. So we can select the drop down style with a hover or a click. In this case we are going to leave it a hover, and we can target the icon or the link, and we can add some padding to the menu if we want. We can select the menu link color and the hover, and we can select the font size, the line height, the letter spacing, and we can transfer the text. In this case we are going to give it an uppercase to all of it. And for the footer tree we are going to add some social media icons to the footer, and with that it will be completed. We can select the style. It doesn't show up because we need to add some links to the we need to add some links to our social media. In this case will be our user links. As you can see, Facebook is on, Instagram next, and we can add a Twitter to twitter.com, and they are starting to pop up, and we can do so with the other social medias if we have an account created. In this case we are going to use the theme default colors, but we can change them here if we want. The background, the hover, the color, and the hover of the color, and border and hover for the border. So we can select the style of the icons here: dark, color, like that, and simple, and simple versions, as you can see light. So we are going to use the light one, and we can select the transitions. It have on the icon a little simple animation like this. The link of the target, the size of the icon, we can make it larger if we want, the font size, and we can add the radius to the border to make it more rounded instead of a square. If we add 30 px, it will become rounded. It will look much better. So once we have made all the changes we want to our footer, we need to publish those by clicking on the top left, publish. And that's it. We have created a footer for our site and enable it using the Ocean WP theme in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the site. See you the next time on Paletech.